In this problem, we're not going to use the standard algorithm to subtract. So for example, when we do standard subtraction, we will line up and subtract like this. But we are not actually going to do this. So you're not allowed to do this. Okay, so make sure you don't do that. And so we want to follow the student's idea to give him the correct way. So the student's idea is this. So we know every subtraction problem comes from a addition problem. So 201 minus 88 equals what? It is equivalent to 88 plus what equals 201. So for example, if your electricity bill is $201, but you only have $88 in your pocket, so how much more money do you need? And so you start with $88 and you're trying to get more money from your bank account or your piggy bank. And how much more money do you need to get in order to make $201? And so we're not doing subtraction. We're actually going to do addition gradually until we can reach 201. And so this, if you look at the equations here, so he started with 88 and then try to add $2 to make 90 because 90 is a multiple of 10. It's easy to do the following addition questions. And then he added a 10 to get 100, and 100 is it's a multiple of 10 again, and it's easy to add numbers to it. So add another 100 and then to get 200, and finally adding a 1 to get 201. Okay, but the problem with his equation, so here we kind of know what his idea is, but the way he's writing those equations is incorrect because both sides of the equation must be equal. Now the left side of the equation, 88 plus 2 is 90, but the right side of this equality, the equal sign is 90 plus 10 is 100. So that means he's literally saying 90 equals 100, which is incorrect. Okay, so the problem is 88 plus 2 is equal to 90, but we cannot add more numbers after this at the end of the equation, because right now both sides of the equal sign, they are equal. If you add something more, you're going to make the right side bigger, so they're not going to be equal anymore. Although this idea is correct, so what we should write is we shouldn't add another 10 after 90, so we should start over again, start from 90 and add a 10 to get 100, and then start from 100, add another 100 to get 200, and start from 200, add a $1 to get 201. So his idea is correct, but he cannot write the equations like that. So notice that what we have here is he started with $88 and he added a $2. But if you can see, adding $12 will make 100. You can skip, you can combine these two steps instead of adding a 2 and then adding a 10. So you could just go ahead and do, let's say 88 plus 12 equals 100. All we're doing is to try to add a number to get a perfect 10, perfect 100, or 200 to make the following calculations easier. Okay, so again, we started with 88, so we're going to follow his idea. 88, first, it's easy for us to see compared to 90, we're $2 short, so he will have to withdraw $2 from the bank account or from the piggy bank. That would make $90. But that's still not enough from $201. So we're going to add another $10. It's easy to see adding $10 to $90 will make $100. And then we're going to add another, $100 still not enough. So we're going to add another $100, withdraw another $100 from the bank account. That's going to be 200, and we are very close to 201. All we have to do is to withdraw another $1. So the numbers I highlighted, $2, that's the first withdrawal, and then $10, and then $100 and $1. So all these numbers, we're going to add them together. That's going to give us the money we are missing. We're short, how much money we're short from 201. And so that's going to give us 112 plus 1, 113. So that is going to be the answer. In the other words, 88. So we started with $88. So I'm going to put the numbers, the money we withdraw from the bank account in a pair of parentheses. So first time we withdraw $2. Second time we withdraw $10. Third time we withdraw $100. Last time we withdraw $1. And after we add all these this money to 88, that's gonna become 201, which means so 88 plus this amount, which is 113. So 88 plus what number is 201? It's 113. That tells us the answer should be 113. And you can see it does match what we got if we did a standard algorithm. But of course, for this problem, we cannot use the standard algorithm. You must do it by gradually adding an amount to reach the number. And then figure out what the number we added, the total number amount we added.